All right, guys, we're here with Irvin. We're heading out to get some photos, some pics, and some shots, some drone shots. And it's about to get lit because we're about to get some sick shots. Too much grip, I feel like. It's always an excuse for everything. Always an excuse. It's not the grip, I just suck ass. This is actually where me and Irvin went to get rollers, so that's pretty cool. Probably gonna go up that hill real quick and see if I can shoot up there. There's a lot of construction going on over there, so. We actually got yelled at here once. This lady comes out and thought we were drag racing, but we were literally getting rollers, like going 20 miles per hour, which is what the speed limit is. And she comes out of here going, hey, you guys need to stop drag racing out here, or I'm calling the police, with her phone out. And she was getting our license plate and all that. That was far from drag racing. Oh man, there's people up here banging. Just kidding. What is going on, guys? So we're out here about to do a photo shoot. Irvin's got his whip, his IS300, clean ass whip. I got my whip. We got the crew here at this pretty sick spot. It's really open, and we should be getting kicked out right now, but we're not going to because I don't really care. We're not doing anything crazy, but we're gonna get some shots, some drone shots, some cinematics, and pictures. So yeah, chill day, not much. Just showing off the cars for you guys out there who are dreaming about it and wanting one. So
doing it for the culture, baby.
Doing it for the culture. But yeah, guys, we out here, always out here, and we're gonna get a few sunset shots and hope Karen comes out of that building, because last time she came out and she yelled at us and took pictures of our license plates for drag racing.
So bad.
We weren't even drag racing.
Are we rally racing now? Is that? We were
Bad.
drag racing before when we were on the street. Now we gotta be rallying.
We gotta flex our fucking rigs on that dirt mound over there. She might come out and be like, gotta stop.
You gotta stop wheeling.
Stop wheeling. Straight up.
Girl, you gotta get your motorsports
A little dramatic. Just a little bit. All right, but yeah, let's get them drone shots. Actually gonna fly the drone between this and through this, actually, and then we're gonna go between the cars and over the dirt mound, if that's, you know, something that looks good. But we're gonna fly through this gate, and I'm gonna get some dope aerial shots. So it's pretty cool because the water gives it a nice reflective look on the drone, and then you're panning up to the cars, and the cars are positioned to be like next to each other in a good position. So that's pretty dope. Pretty stoked about this place. You got a lot of room to play, a lot of room to take good shots, and yeah, we got some good stuff so far. I'm excited for you guys to see it. It's getting dark, sun's setting. I mainly came here for the sunset, but it's completely almost gone. We can still do some photos, but yeah, we'll see the shots of the drone, and yeah, let's get it. Guys, so we got the shots in, super sick with the sun setting, and you shall see. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Nothing crazy, no how-tos, but at least you get to see the IS300, because apparently it's been hiding from everybody, and it's here, so get a good look at it. But anyways, that ends today's video. We're just out here to get some photos, some footage, and that's it. So catch you guys in the next one. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. I say that every time, but we're gonna be doing more car stuff to the IS. Hopefully my parts get here, and the Super build. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, fam.